Good day, everyone. My name is Israel. I welcome everyone to Learn with Israel YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. So we'll be continuing from where we stopped at episode 1. Today we'll be treating episode 2. So I want us to be attentive and get our notes to jot things down so it can be helpful when preparing for JAMB 2026. Question 21, it says, the main medium of transport in the body is dash. A. Sweat. B. Water. C. Blood. D. Urine. All these options are all medium of transport, but the main medium is the blood. The main medium is the blood. Blood circulates throughout all the whole body system. Sweat is part of sweat is seen in some places in our body. Water is also same for water and same for urine, but the one that is seen throughout all the body is blood. So which makes blood the correct answer. The excretory medium or organ in insect is known as dash. A. Gut. B. Gills. C. Lungs. And D. Mammalian tubules. The excretory medium or organ in insect is known as dash. Let's start from option D. Mammalian tubules is the excretory organ in insects such as cockroach. Insects such as cockroach. So mammalian tubules is the answer. Lungs is used for respiration, as we all know, so it's wrong. Gills found in fishes, and gut is the tract for food breakdown Question 23. I hope you understand this. Question 23. The right side of the heart is completely separated from the left side by a wall called dash. A. Iliac. C. Hepatic portal vein. C. Septum. And D. Valve. Iliac. Iliac is an artery. It's a major artery located in the pelvis region, which is wrong. B, which is the hepatic portal vein, it carries blood from intestine to liver. Please note it. Hepatic portal vein carry blood from intestine to liver. Why septum? Septum is the correct answer. Septum separates the right side of the heart from the left side. Septum is the word that separates both left and right of the heart. Why valve? Valve prevents, the function of valve is that it prevents backflow of blood back into the heart. So I urge everyone watching this video right now to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to Learn with Israel channel. Thank you. So let's continue. Question 24. The movement of substance in higher plant is known as dash. A. Transportation. It cannot be transportation. Let's cancel that out. It is one of the tips to pass JAMB is to know how to eliminate your questions. Once you know how to eliminate it, there cannot be a JAMB question that all the answer will be similar. It's not possible. There will always be a question an option to eliminate, like this one. Transportation is out. Translocation, transduction, and diversion. We all know what diversion is. Movement from higher to lower through a medium. Higher concentration through a medium is out of it. Transduction is also out. The correct answer is translocation. Question 25. Gases enters and leave the plant through opening called the dash. Lenticels. B. Lungs. C. Stomata. And D. Evaporation. Evaporation is loss of water. We all know that. In our chemistry, loss of water through vapor. That can never be the answer. Stomata is the correct answer. Lungs deal with respiration. Lentil cell may be like the answer, but it is not the answer. Lentil cell is based on stem. While stomata is based on leaves. Question 26. The release of energy in living cells is called dash. A. Respiration, B. Photosynthesis, C. Adaptation, and D. Variation. We all know variation. We all know what adaptation is also. The process to adapt. Variation is out of it. Process to adapt in any place you are, to adapt to the nature there, is out. While photosynthesis is the process in which food is produced, food production in plants, using what? Using sunlight, or in the process of sunlight. I'm writing all this so that once you see this kind of term, you'll be able to eliminate it well when answering your JAMB exam, or when doing your UTME exam rather. You'll be able to attempt it well. So in order for those that are not used to the terminology, to any terminology here, the way I'm explaining it, I hope everyone should understand better. So photosynthesis is out of it. The correct answer here is respiration. Respiration is the release of energy in living cell. Question 27. The process of waste substance removal from the body is dash. Waste substance on the body. A. Ingestion. Oh, wait. Before we continue, we cannot continue like that. You must like the video. I know that you, this boy, you, this girl, you have not liked that video. Go and like it now. Like the video now and share it. Share it to your friend and subscribe to the channel. So once I drop episode 3, episode 4, like that, you are going to see the video and you are going to get notification of me dropping the video. So let's continue. The process of waste substance removal from the body is dash. A. Ingestion, B. Respiration, C. Excretion, and D. Secretion. What is secretion? Secretion is the release of useful substance. We all know what excretion is. Excretion is the waste, is the process of waste substance removal from the body. Why respiration, we talk about it here, is the release of energy in living cell. So respiration is not the correct answer. The correct answer is respiration. Why ingestion is the process of solid substance removal. Why excretion is the process of waste or liquid substance removal. Why ingestion is solid substance removal. That's the difference between both terminology. Question 28. The most poisonous metabolic byproduct is dash. A. Oxygen. Oxygen is not poisonous. A. Breathing oxygen. If it's poisonous, it will affect our nervous system, our internal organs. So oxygen is out. Carbon dioxide is also out. Carbon monoxide is poisonous because all this, once a car is going on the road, the smoke that come out of that car is a product of carbon monoxide. It's also poisonous, but they say the most poisonous there is ammonia. Don't dare try it. In the NH3, ammonia is very, very poisonous. So you guys should notice. They can ask in your UTME exam. You should note this one. So anytime you see this kind of question, you should be able to attempt it well. So please, if you are in need of a tutor, you can chat me on this number 08034291901. You can chat me on this number And subscribe to my channel now. Subscribe, please subscribe to the channel. That's the only way you could help me. I'm helping you guys by creating a video and explaining to you with my knowledge, and the only way you could help me back is to share the video, subscribe and like the video. So let's continue. Question 29. I want to explain something to you guys here. The removal of excess water in amoeba. It's not amoeba. You guys are saying amoeba. There's nothing like amoeba. It's amoeba. The O is silent. I'm already teaching you guys English. So the O is silent. It's amoeba, not amoeba. So the removal of excess water in amoeba is done by the dash: A, nephridium; B, flame cells; C, contractile vacuole; D, sphincter. Let's start from sphincter. Sphincter is a muscle. It's a muscle that control opening, not in the body system, but in the unicellular organism. It's a muscle that control opening in the unicellular organism, just like guard cell. Guard cell, we all know that guard cell control opening and closing of stomata. We all know that. So they do similar, or they both control opening. Contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole is the correct answer. It removes excess water in amoeba. While flame cell is found, contractile vacuole is found in the amoeba. Flame cell is found in the flatworm. It's also wrong. While nephridium is found in earthworm. So note this. They can twist the question and say that the removal of excess water, or the process by which excess water is removed in earthworm is dash. You should know that it's nephridium. So nephridium belongs to earthworm, flame cell belongs to flatworm, contractile vacuole belongs to amoeba, while sphincter is a muscle. I think we understand it better now. So let's continue. If you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. I'll make sure I attend to all the questions there. Question 30. Dash is a major skeleton of arthropod which is light, tough and flexible material. A, cartilage; B, hyaline cartilage; C, chitin; D, bone. Chitin is the correct answer. Both hyaline cartilage and cartilage, they are also found in the body, and they are also major skeleton of arthropod. They are also found in the body, but the major one is the chitin. We all know what bone is. Bone, cartilage and hyaline cartilage is out. So let's continue. I urge everyone to go and subscribe. Go and subscribe to my channel now. Subscribe to my channel now. Do it right now. Do it right now. Like the video. Like the video now. Go and like it. Go and like it. It doesn't bite. Just click the button. That round button like this. That round one. Just click it. It doesn't bite. It doesn't bite. It won't add anything from you. It will add something from you by clicking it, but it cannot remove anything from you by clicking that notification button. So once I drop video, you'll be aware. You'll be notified by YouTube once I drop video, and you'll be able to watch it and learn from it. Question 31. The process of the cartilage to harden into bone is called dash. I want to explain something here. When we are growing or when we are developing, like a baby that is just born, most of the structure in the body is often cartilage, not bone. Often cartilage is more composed of cartilage. So once getting larger, the baby is growing every day from cartilage to be hardening into bone. It will be hardening into bone. That's why when a small baby has fracture in the leg, it is easier, or in any part of the body, it is easier to treat it easily, because it is still cartilage. Is easy to treat. But older people, when they have all the bone has grown, everything has grown, it is very difficult. It's very difficult. So I'm already teaching you guys what would I call that? Anatomy. So the correct answer here, the process of the cartilage to harden into bone is called dash. A, malleability. No. That's reshape. To reshape a material. That's not even a biological term. That's not a biological term. We all know that. Melting is for an organ to shed away its flesh. No, let me say flesh. To shed away its skeleton. Like for example, snake. They shed away their body and develop another color or another body structure. So that's the function of molting. And molting, another name for molting is ecdysis. Is it? No. Ecdysis. That's another name for molting. So option C, ossification. Yes, that's the correct answer. The process of the cartilage to harden into bone is called ossification. This question, they also asked me in my JAMB exam. Please note the question now. Glenoid cavity is out of it. Question 32. Please note this question. You should be able to answer it. Let me give you 3 seconds to answer the question. 3, 2, 1. You should be able to get the answer correctly now. Which vitamin is needed for proper bone development? A, vitamin A. B, vitamin B. C, vitamin C. D, vitamin D. The correct answer is vitamin D. A, talk about vision. With vitamin A, talk about vision. I think C, talk about sunlight. But you can check for vitamin B and C. You can check it on your GBT or on your AI. But vitamin A deals with vision, while vitamin D deals with proper bone development. Let's continue because there is no time to check time. The largest and strongest bone in the body is called dash. You can answer that even without option. The answer is thigh, which is also known as femur. It is also known as femur. It is located at the upper part of the leg. Upper part of the leg. Joint, we all know what joint means. Joint is where two bones meet. That's what joint is. Sorry for my writing. Where two bones meet. Why bone? Bone is a structure. Bone is a normal structure in the body. So we all know that bone is a structure in the body. Bone is found in the body. We all know the function of bone. So gluteus maximus. I know you guys will be saying, what was gluteus maximus? When you go to your 200 level, when you are doing, those medical students are going to know what is called gluteus maximus in a course called ANA 201. Anatomy 201. That's the meaning of this ANA. ANA, Anatomy 201. Gluteus maximus means buttocks in biological terms, or let me say in anatomical terms. No, I won't say biology. In anatomical terms, because we have something called anatomical terms. In anatomical terms, that's where you find gluteus maximus, which is also known as buttocks. So when someone say, "Here's your gluteus maximus," you should know the meaning of that. Guys, let's continue. The most mobile joint in the body is the dash. I know you guys will be saying, which one is mobile? But someone, as a student that wants to write JAMB, should be able to know the meaning of mobile. Mobile is something movable. The most movable joint, let me say, the most movable joint in the body is the dash. I know you guys will understand like that. A, shoulder joint. B, hinge joint. C, gliding and sliding joint. D, pivot joint. So let's start from option D. Pivot joint is found in the neck, and it is not the most movable. It can rotate, but it is not the most movable. Gliding and sliding joint, you can see it's found in the elbow. You can do it like this, do it like this. It's found in the elbow. No, it's not found in the elbow. Gliding and sliding joint, where is it found? You can check it out. But gliding and sliding joint is not the most mobile. Hinge joint. Hinge joint is found in the elbow. Hinge joint is found in the elbow. Why shoulder joint is the most movable joint? Yeah, just try it. Try to do your shoulder joint. Try to sway it around. You see that it's the most movable joint in the body. It's the most movable joint in the body. If you need questions on any of these, or you need clarification on any of these questions that I have answered, just send me a message or drop the question in the comments. I will make sure I attend to it. So before we continue, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Like my video, the video you are watching right now. Like it. Why won't you like the video? Since it is educating you and you are learning from the video, make sure you like the video. Thank you very much. Question 35. Dash lubricate during movement, which allow the bone movement to be at its hinge joint? No, because we don't use hinge joint to walk during movement. It is not located there. It's out. Synovial fluid is the correct answer. Synovial fluid. Tendons is out. Tendons is what join. It joins the muscle and bone together. That's the function of tendon. While cartilage, you talk about it. Cartilage is a major skeleton in the body. So cartilage is not the answer. Question 36. The meristematic tissue which gives rise to secondary growth is called dash. Xylem. Xylem is for transport in water. Transport water. Why phloem? It transport food. It transport food. Why parenchyma? Parenchyma is a tissue used for storage. You can use it to store water and can use it to store food. Why cambium? Cambium is the correct answer. Cambium give rise to secondary growth. I hope you understand now. Question 37. Paramecium moves by using dash. A. Sacrome. B. Pseudopodia. C. Flagella. D. Cilia. The correct answer here is cilia. Paramecium move by using cilia. Euglena move by using flagella. Pseudopodia. Amoeba moves by using pseudopodia. You'll be wondering what sacrome. Sacrome is a muscular unit. It's a muscle unit for contraction. For contraction. People that want to study physiotherapy will learn more. Once you are in 200 level, they'll teach you more on sacrome. There is a lot to learn under it, guys. So let's continue. Before we continue, please like the video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know your comment about this video, how helpful it is, how you see the video. Is it educating? If you are not learning anything from it, drop the comment. Let me see. Question 38. A directional movement where the whole organism moves is called dash. Taxis movement, tropic movement, nastic movement, and phototropism. The correct answer here is taxis movement. Why tropic movement is the process where part of organism moves. So if we want to define tropic movement, we will say a directional movement where part of the organism moves is called tropic movement. Why nastic movement is non-directional movement. It's non-directional movement. Why these two are directional movement, non-directional movement. Phototropism is out. Phototropism. So if we now want to define phototropism, what will we say? We will say that phototropism is defined as the process in which parts of organism moves in the direction of light. Because photo means light. I hope you understand that now. Question 39. A process that alters or changes genes is known as dash. A. Genetic flow. B. Genetic drift. C. Mutation. D. Selection. Selection is out. Genetic drift and genetic flow, they work together under genetics. We all know that. They are also out of it. So the correct answer is mutation. Mutation is the one that alters or changes gene. Genetic flow and drift cannot change gene. The last question, which is not the least, scientists can determine the age of rocks in which fossils occur by using that vestigial part. Vestigial part is out. Vestigial part. What's vestigial part? Vestigial part is like part of the body that doesn't perform any function. It doesn't perform any function. Embryology is the study of embryo. Comparative anatomy is not the correct answer. The correct answer is radioisotope dating. So this radioisotope dating is I won't call it a device, is a tool used in tracking how long things have used, like bone. Maybe you found a bone, maybe when scientists is digging the ground, they found the bone, they can bring out that bone to know how long the bone has existed. Is it 2 years? Is it 3 years? Is it 4 years? Is it 10 years? Is it 20 years? It is used by this radioisotope dating. I think we've learned something from this video. If you have really learned something from this video, with sincerity, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.